Hey guys, it's the Epic Gamer Phoenix here, and today we're going to be reviewing my uncle's old Nitro RC car. As you can see, it's not that much because my uncle destroyed the body, threw it out, pretty much. So we're going to start from the front, as you can see. Yeah, he ruined the front tires from driving it on concrete. Servo. These links are different sizes because he didn't know what he was doing. He made it for a drift car, but as you can see, not really. On the other side, there's a body post right here. As you can see, you can unscrew it. Okay, so right there you can see a Futaba FP R10 2JE. That is the that's the number. It's a 27 millihertz. It's a 27 millihertz 2-channel receiver. And when he drove this, the last time he drove this thing, he cracked the bottom of the gas tank. So I had to fix that with some hot glue on the bottom, which surprisingly works. Tested it with water. No water got in the engine because I tested it. He pretty much destroyed the air filter, as you can see. Yeah. The back, you can see that he put a clutch on it so that it wouldn't roll, or pretty much drive away on it. If you pull the pull starter, you can see the thing moving. And in the back tires, I'm gonna guess he probably drifted that way because of how badly this tire is ruined, as you can see. Yeah, it's making that sound from the gears. So that's. Oh, and if you guys know what this is, please tell me down in the comments below, cause I don't know what it is. I'm waiting for an answer from my uncle. It's connected to the switch here, and he took the connector off. So I had to strip those and hook up a 9-volt battery to it to see if this and this worked. Yeah. See inside there? Yeah. This thing does work. Let me see if I can find a 9-volt battery. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got the 9-volt battery. Alkaline, 9-volt, Thunderbolt. Okay, so we're gonna see, even though I've tested this already, you guys can see that this thing does work. Okay, as you guys can tell, it works. So I'm gonna put this down. Move on. As you can see, this thing was butchered on the bottom. Tape's there for no reason. That is a homemade motor mount. Pretty much all this stuff is just put on here to make it be faster and more light. Here's another body post here, which I used for an antenna mount from the receiver. So that's pretty much it. on this car. If you guys want to see more content, please subscribe and leave a like. And go check out my brother's channel, which is go check out his channel at
Gamerboy182 Joe Mama.
Thank you and see you again.